So good afternoon everyone and welcome back to another exciting video of our class for computer. And today we are going to learn about a very new exciting lesson. The name of the lesson is formatting text in OpenOffice Writer. Now many of you will ask what is this OpenOffice Writer and why it is used. So OpenOffice is a free source एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर बेटा ये फ्री में मिलता है वी कैन डाउनलोड फॉर आवर कंप्यूटर इट्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वी कैन डाउनलोड एंड इंस्टॉल दैट software from openoffice.org is the website from where we can download this software, and once we install that software we can use it for free only. We can use it for free only, and when we install, the icon will appear on your screen. Now first we will learn how to open that OpenOffice Writer, and for that when you go to your desktop, right now I'm showing you a desktop, this is the desktop or my computer. Okay, so when I go there I have one application, one app. Okay, that is there. I'll show you using a magnifier. I'll show you. Let me start a magnifier. Magnify. Come on, start. Magnifier will appear here. Yes, magnifier has appeared, and now it will zoom the part of that particular window. Okay, so that I'll show you which kind of application it is. So here it is the icon. Okay, this is the icon of OpenOffice Writer. This is the icon of OpenOffice 4.1.2. That when we click on that it will open. Okay, when we open that, did I ask to speak better? No, no. So no need to say that. I was showing you how to open that. Once you open that, okay, when you open that window, you will have another window. That window I'll show it to you. Okay. So when you open that window, let me show that. Yes. So here that window will appear. Now this kind of a window will appear from where we have opened OpenOffice Writer. Okay, this is the OpenOffice Writer window. Okay, where at the top you will see this is the title bar which shows the name of that window, that is boy. I have written a name of the file boy, and then OpenOffice Writer, which is the name of the software. You have used this software in class 3rd also. Okay, so don't ask me how to open that and what is this and what is that. Okay, so you have learned already, though we will be revising that in our next period, but today we have opened it. When you open that, this is the window that appear. One story I have typed here. Okay, we will be reading that story together so that we will have a very nice entertaining session. So we have made its font 24 so that everyone will have a look of it, everyone can read it. Yes, so we have arranged our page also accordingly. Now this is the window, this is the title bar. Below that we have menu bar. Which menus are there? File menu, edit menu, view menu, insert menu, format menu, table menu, tools menu, window menu, and help menu. These are the menu bars. Okay, and below that we have few toolbars are there. These are called standard toolbars. Okay, these are called standard toolbars, which we have 2 to 3 toolbars are already there. And to the right side of that window we have a properties window, and below that page options are there, properties options are there. So whichever option we will be selecting, regarding properties option will be there. मतलब जो भी मेनू हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे उसके बारे में जो भी प्रॉपर्टीज होंगे that will appear over here. So that was about your first, what do we say, about the window of OpenOffice Writer. Now we are starting about the topics that we will be learning in this lesson. So what are the things that we are going to learn in your last class? In class 3, you have learned how to open OpenOffice Writer, how to type in that OpenOffice Writer, okay, how to format to the left side, to the right side, to the center alignment. You have learned that. Then what we are going to learn in this class? So in this class, we are going to learn about how to find and replace words in your OpenOffice Writer document. Then how to create a bulleted or numbered list. When we will create the list, how to apply numbering and bullets to that numbering list, how to align text in document. Again, you will be learning how to align text का alignment किस तरह करना है, that we are going to learn. How to apply the formatting of one paragraph to another. अगर हमने एक पैराग्राफ बहुत अच्छे से बनाया and the same formatting you want to apply to the someone else, कोई और पैराग्राफ को आपको वही फॉर्मेटिंग अप्लाई करनी तो किस तरह से, then that formatting word means what, वो भी हम पढ़ेंगे. Then we'll learn about how to check spellings and grammar. Nowadays everyone does that mistakes of spelling and grammar, so how to remove those spelling and grammar mistake, that we are going to learn. Then how to get synonyms and antonyms. Okay, you have learned synonyms and antonyms in your English, that also. Then how to undo and redo changes, undone and redone, that also we are going to learn. Then how to change the line spacing of the lines in paragraph, how to increase and decrease indentation of the text. Now few words are new for you. Indentation क्या है, line spacing क्या है, okay, formatting क्या है, those words also we are going to learn here. So we will start with the first thing that we have. So we are going to learn about a story. Okay, a story of a boy and a wolf. Okay, so story. So here we have a story in that a word cow is typed instead of wolf. Okay, उसमें क्या किया है, wolf की जगह पे cow type किया गया है. So how will you all replace those? So you should know the story of cow, okay, wolf and a boy. आपको पहले वो मैं स्टोरी बता दूं या फिर someone will tell me the story. सो वी हैव अ स्टोरी. हमारे पास एक स्टोरी है. आपने स्टोरी पहले भी पढ़ी होगी आपके प्रीवियस क्लासेस में, या हिंदी या मराठी में, या फिर योर ग्रैंड मदर और ग्रैंड फादर, आपके घर में जो आपके बड़े लोग हैं उन्होंने आपको बताई होगी. सो बहुत पुरानी स्टोरी है, काऊ, बॉय एंड उल्फ. सो क्या होता है इसमें, पहले एक बच्चा होता है जो अपने शिप्स के साथ में खेत में चला जाता है, बट he was too bored, so to entertain himself he started shouting wolf wolf. उल्फ आ गया, उल्फ आ गया, वो मेरी शिप को लेकर जाएगा, he will eat my ship. So he shouted. So आजू बाजू वाले क्या करते, फार्मर्स आ जाते हैं उसको हेल्प करने के लिए. Okay, and when they come to know that there is a no wolf, so boys started laughing at them. So this happens 2-3 times, ये ऐसा 2-3 बार होता है. एंड लास्ट में क्या होता है पता है, लास्ट में असली में उल्फ आ जाता है. ओके, एंड इट टुक हिज शिप आल्सो, वो उसका बकरी का भेड़ का बच्चा भी लेके जाता है. दैट टाइम ही वाज शाउटिंग आल्सो, वुल्फ वुल्फ प्लीज हेल्प, दिस टाइम इट इज रियल, प्लीज कम एंड हेल्प. बट जो हेल्प करने के लिए उसको इंसान आए थे वो क्या कहते, अरे ये हमेशा मजाक करते रहता है, सो वी शुड नॉट गो दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टोरी. In short, it's the story that you have already learned, but the same story with a little bit changes is been added to our syllabus. Okay, so what is that change that we will learn? Okay, so here change is that the word cow is typed. जो बच्चा कहता है ना wolf 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 wolf, instead of wolf cow is typed. So once upon a time there lived a shepherd boy who was bored watching his flock of sheep on the hill. Flock of sheep मतलब उसके जो भेड़ थे, भेड़ यानी जो शिप थे, उसका जो ग्रुप होता है उसको फ्लॉक कहते हैं. टू अम्यूज हिमसेल्फ, खुद को हंसाने के लिए, खुद का एंटरटेनमेंट करने के लिए, he shouted cow cow, the sheep are being chased by the wolf. सेंटेंस करेक्ट है क्या यहाँ पे? Is it correct sentence? No, it is not a correct sentence, because Cow, cow, the sheep are being chased by wolf. The villagers came running to help the boy and save the sheep. But they found nothing, and the boy just laughed, looking at their angry faces. Don't cry, wolf, when there is a no cow, boy, they said angrily and left. The boy just laughed at them. वो लोग आ गए, उन्होंने क्या कहा? डोंट क्राई वुल्फ, वुल्फ बोल के चिल्ला मत, जब वहां पे कोई काव है ही नहीं. दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. After a while, he got bored again and cried, cow, again. Fooling the villagers a second time, the angry villagers warned the boy a second time and left. Same thing happened second time. So they warned, अगर दोबारा ऐसा करोगे ना तो बहुत पछताओगे. There is a song na bada pachtaoge. Likewise, okay. So the boy continued watching the flock, and after a while he saw a real cow and cried loudly, "Cow, please help!" The cow is chasing the sheep. Help! But this time it was real. The wolf was real, and it took one of its sheep and carried away. So यहाँ पे एक paragraph दिया हुआ है, and here instead of wolf, cow, cow word is being typed again and again. Okay, so 3-4 times क्या हुआ है? cow, cow word वहां पे type किया गया है. So wolf means a carnivorous animal, the animal which eats other sheep and babies of that sheep. Okay, and cow is a herbivorous animal which doesn't eat that. So cow तो खाएगी नहीं, तो स्टोरी में गलत क्या हुआ है? Instead of wolf, cow is being typed. क्या टाइप किया गया है? wolf की जगह पे cow टाइप किया गया है. Now you know that how to type. In your previous classes you have learnt how to type the things. So how will you change that? How will you change that? So to open that find and replace option, what we are going to do? We are going in our standard toolbar, then find and replace option is there. Or again we will go from our keyboard and type Control plus F. Again the same window will appear, and in that window what we are replacing? We are replacing a word cow using a word wolf. So first we will type here cow and we will find. Now see how many cow words are there. So we are searched. Do you want to continue? Yes. So this is the 1, this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words are there. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words are there. And as we asked to our Adya, and she said we have to delete those words and then we have to type that word again. So 7 times you have to do that. But in the same window, if you'll check here downside, okay, in the same window, if you'll check in the downside, replace with option is there. Which option is there? Replace with option is there. Instead of cow, right now I'll type Adya. Adya, I'll type here Adya. Okay, and now see what happens, and I'll replace. So all those cows are replaced with Adya now. Now the boy will start shouting. He shouted, Adya, Adya, sheep are being passed. Okay, so that is not the good thing, but that was just for a fun. Okay, so now instead of Adya, we will type here wolf. Now Adya will become wolf. Okay, so here we have searched. See here, we have found out Adya 7 times, and now we are clicking on wolf. We are typing wolf, and all those words will be replaced here, and now our story has become correctly. Now the boy will shout, wolf, wolf, wolf aa gaya, mere bhed leke jayega. Those things will happen over there. Okay, so understood what we have learned. So once again we'll go back to our PPT. Here you can see, okay, what we did. These are the steps to do that. What we did, we clicked on the find and replace option. Okay, we clicked on find and replace option, then a separate window appeared. Which window appeared? A separate search window appear. Okay, separate window, find and replace window appear. From that, 2 options are there. One is search, another one is replace. And when you click on the search, that time what will happen? All those options will come. Okay, which options will come? Means it will find out all those things, like it will search jitne bhi words hai, you can find them one by one also and find all also. Okay, so in search box you have to type the name, and then in replace box also you have to type the word by which you have to replace. So first we replaced cow with the word adya, and in second time we replaced word adya with the word wolf. So when we click once replace, one word will be replaced, and when we click on replace all will be replaced. Okay, so same here is given. When we click on one replace button, one instance of that word will be replaced, एक ही बार वो replace हो जाएगा. But when we click on the replace all will be replaced at one time. Now keyboard shortcut, we have learned there is a keyboard shortcut for find and replace tool, and that is control plus F. What is the option? Control plus F. Here it is shown on your screen. It is control plus F. Okay, so that's it for today's session. I hope you have understood the only one topic that we have learned, that is find and replace tool.